Look at that. Look at this color. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. We are doing an experiment today. Yay!
Okay. Do you remember we did the turmeric powder experiment last week? We learned that turmeric powder can glow, right?
Yeah.
So today we're going to test another thing. Turmeric powder can be a pH indicator.
Yeah.
We can use turmeric powder to know whether it's a acidic or base solution, okay? So today we're going to check that. First, add some turmeric powder into the glass.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, now can you add some water to the glass?
Water into the glass now? Yeah.
Can you now give a good mixing?
I thought the water go down.
Maybe do you want to add a little bit more?
Water?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try.
Good job. So see, which color is that now?
Yellow.
So it's now yellow color, okay? Let's try now. We are going to add some washing powder.
Washing powder.
Yeah, then we are going to see what's happened to this yellow color, okay? Washing powder is a base. It's an alkaline, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can add. Okay, now can
Become orange.
it become orange? Can you mix it and see? No. Can you mix and see?
Okay.
It become dark red, right? It's look like dark red. Wow.
Look at that. Look at this color. Wow, vinegar.
Yeah, so vinegar is acidic, okay?
You just spill everywhere.
Let's see. So
Can I poke under?
So I put some vinegar to this. So now can you add into the solution and see what's happening next? Yeah, so see, it's now yellow color. It turned back to yellow because vinegar is a acidic solution. So it turned the color back to yellow.
Bye bye everyone. Please subscribe.